Ever wondered how to make authentic Asian-style chicken chow mein at home? Today we're going to walk you through the process, making it as simple and accessible as possible. First, let's gather our ingredients. For the marinade, we need 1 pound of thinly sliced chicken breast, a tablespoon of soy sauce, a teaspoon of sesame oil, and a teaspoon of cornstarch. To begin, combine the chicken slices with soy sauce, sesame oil, and cornstarch in a bowl. Mix well and let it sit for at least 15 minutes. This process tenderizes the chicken and infuses it with flavor. While the chicken is marinating, we can prepare the sauce. In a small bowl, whisk together 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, a teaspoon of sugar, a teaspoon of sesame oil, and half a cup of chicken broth. Set this aside for later. Next, it's time to cook the chicken. Heat a tablespoon of vegetable oil in a large skillet or wok over medium-high heat. Add the marinated chicken and stir fry until it's cooked through and slightly browned. Once done, remove the chicken from the skillet and set it aside. Now we move on to the vegetables. In the same skillet, add the remaining vegetable oil. Sauté the minced garlic and thinly sliced onion for about 2 minutes until they're fragrant. Following this, add 1 cup of shredded cabbage, 2 julienned carrots, and 1 thinly sliced bell pepper. Stir fry these for about 3 to 4 minutes until the vegetables are tender but still crisp. It's time to bring it all together. Add about 8 ounces of chow mein cooked noodles or spaghetti and chicken back to the skillet with the vegetables. Pour the previously prepared sauce over the top. Toss everything together over medium heat until all ingredients are well coated with the sauce and heated through. Just before serving, add green onions and bean sprouts. Give everything a final toss to ensure the flavors meld together. You can garnish it with additional green onions or sesame seeds if desired. Remember, the choice of noodles and the types of vegetables are flexible. Feel free to adjust based on preference and availability. Similarly, taste and adjust the sauce as needed, adding more soy sauce for saltiness, sugar for sweetness, or sesame oil for richness. Enjoy your cooking, and remember, the secret to great food lies in the love you put into it. Let me know how the recipe turned out for you in the comments below. For more delicious recipes like this, make sure to like and subscribe to Magnolia Moon.